LA Spaceboy, do XLR cables have an advantage over RCAs when using amps to AVR or processor? A couple of advantages that I know of. You get, I think, 3 dB gain when you use XLR over RCA. Am I correct in that, fellas? Do y'all know?
It's not inherent in the cables. It's usually just the preamp stage is a little different on the XLR.
It can output a higher voltage level than it does for RCA.
So it's not the cable that makes that. It's the okay.
Right. So RCA is typically done at 0.7 or 1.2. Those are the kind of the two floating standards for that. Okay. And XLR can be 2 volts or 4 volts or 8 volts or 16. I mean, they go really high, right?
Gotcha.
Go ahead. I don't mean to interrupt. I was just kind of
no, dude. Trust me, you know more than I do. I think
so. Then the next thing would be that XLR is better for long runs because there's a grounded component to it, where RCA is just signal and ground. There's 3 different cables in an XLR, so you can run an XLR for 50 foot with no problem.
Yeah.
And if you run an RCA with 50 foot, you're going to get hum.
Yeah.
But at short distances,
you can get hum short distances depending on the interference level.
Yeah. Correct. If you're running a lot of power wires or something like that, you can get it. But at 2, 3, even 6 foot, as long as your gain structure is matched, you're not going to be able to tell a difference.
Nope. And so if your amps are next to your AVR processor, you're fine to go either way.